Jacqueline Shear is looking into that threat for some more possible wind damage, like some of these big trees that we saw come down yesterday.
Yeah, and you know what, Keith, when the grounds are this saturated, it really doesn't take much wind to take a tree down. Take a look at this one. We're here on Monroe Road here in southeast Charlotte, and you can see this massive tree, but look at that root system, how wet all of that is. This tree is blocking traffic here on this main road, and we also have some video from overnight in Edge Hill Road in East Charlotte. This tree fell on a car. The driver's side of that windshield was shattered, and of course some more issues as we're going through. Now fortunately, this specific tree didn't actually knock out any power to this area. It just narrowly missed those power lines. So I bet a lot of folks there grateful for that, even though they have this big inconvenience of this tree here. We have about 5,000 customers in our area that are out of power at this point, and we have more winds coming with these storms that are likely to bring more trees down and cause more power outages.
All right, thanks a lot, Jacqueline, for that. I know you stay on top of that. Now, we know you and the rest of the weather team, of course, will have more coverage today during those storms, and we'll see you back here starting on Eyewitness News at 5 o'clock.